53 मकामात पर they opened fire. We were ready, vigilant. The Pakistan Armed Forces, Pakistan Army responded immediately and effectively.
Pakistan has declared open war on Afghanistan after launching airstrikes on the capital Kabul as well as Kandahar and Paktia early Friday. The strikes were carried out in retaliation for Afghanistan's late Thursday cross-border attacks, in which Afghanistan claims to have captured over a dozen Pakistani army posts and killed 55 Pakistani soldiers. Explosions rocked Kabul, but there was no immediate information on possible casualties. Pakistan's Defence Minister Khwaja Mohammad Asif said the country had run out of patience and would now fight an open war with Afghanistan. The latest escalation follows months of clashes along the over 2,600-kilometer Pakistan-Afghanistan border, also known as Durand Line. However, Afghanistan does not recognize it as an international border. Pakistan blames Afghan-based militants, primarily the Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan or the TTP, for the surge in violence. Afghanistan has called the Pakistani strikes a violation of its sovereignty, claiming that civilians were killed, including in a madrasa and a refugee camp. A Qatar-mediated ceasefire between the two countries stands on shaky ground. The United Nations has urged diplomacy amid conflicting casualty claims from both sides.
और 22 फरवरी की शब को मुसद्दका इंटेलिजेंस डिटेल्स ऑफ द ऑपरेशन दैट सो फार 15 सेक्टर्स पे खैबर पख्तूनख्वा में 53 मकामात पर they opened fire and physical raids at 53 locations. And this aggression was done by this master proxy in coordination, in collusion and in support of a terrorist organization, which is an internationally declared terrorist organization, Fitna al-Khawarij aka TTP. And that's what happened last night. तफसीलात हुकूमत पाकिस्तान पहले ही शाया कर चुकी है. ताहम, and the response, we were ready, vigilant. The Pakistan Armed Forces, Pakistan Army responded immediately and effectively. At all 53 locations, the attack was repulsed. At no one location, they could not make any success.
Also talked about Indian and Afghan proxies and their similarities in initiatives.
इसमें 274 तालिबान रजीम के अहलकार और ख्वारिज जहन्नम वासिल किए जा चुके हैं. 400 से ज़ायद ज़ख्मी हैं. अफ़गान तालिबान रजीम की 73 पोस्टें मुकम्मल तबाह की जा चुकी हैं. 73 पोस्ट along the Pak-Afghan border have been totally destroyed. Other than that, 18 posts are in our possession. They have been captured.
पहले रशियन रिपोर्ट भी आई, इससे पहले अमेरिकन और चाइनीज़ रिपोर्ट्स भी आए थे.
और पाकिस्तान की टेरिटोरियल इंटीग्रिटी को सेफगार्ड करते हुए ऑपरेशन में अब तक इस बहादुर फौज के 12 सपूतों ने जामे शहादत नोश किया है, जबकि 27 ज़ख्मी हैं और 1 सोल्जर मिसिंग इन एक्शन है.
बलूचिस्तान में कर रहे हैं, जो KPK में कर रहे हैं. एक तो ये बताइएगा कि ये इसका इख्तिताम कब होगा? क्या
कि दी ऑपरेशन इज़ कंटिन्यूइंग. इट इज़ अंडर द इंस्ट्रक्शंस ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान, द सिविल लीडरशिप, दैट द ऑपरेशन इज़ कंटिन्यूइंग एंड वी आर अचीविंग द डिज़ायर्ड रिजल्ट्स. एंड the Afghan Taliban regime has to make a choice. The question is already with them since long that आपने चूज़ करें between पाकिस्तान में आपने चॉइस करनी है, आपको पाकिस्तान, या फिर आपने दहशतगर्द और दहशतगर्दी के दरमियान चूज़ करनी है.